and today we're going to unbox and review the Belkin AC1200. Now this is one of the top Wi-Fi repeaters, Wi-Fi extenders out there. Claims to boost your Wi-Fi very well. And also I've looked on the top lists and this is one of the ones that come up on the top 10 Wi-Fi repeaters. So let's have a look at it. Actually, one of the websites actually claimed it was third best, so that's pretty cool. So this is an AC1200 by Belkin, up to 2.8 times faster than N. It is dual band, so that's what DB stands for, dual band Wi-Fi range extender. So it has got two antennas internal, so you get the best range. And it works with all routers, extended coverage, up to N300 megabit speed plus AC 867 megabit speed, so pretty fast. Simple startup and easy to set up. We've got some minimum specification requirements for the PC when you're setting it up. Go ahead, if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and pause the video right now. Comes with a 2-year limited warranty as well, that's awesome. On the back over here we can see complete Wi-Fi coverage for your entire home. Speeds up to AC 1200, which is 300 megabits per second for 2.4 gigahertz networks, and 867 megabits per second for 5 gigahertz networks. Up to 2.8 times faster than wireless N, reduces lag and buffering, increases your Wi-Fi range, compatible with older technologies G and N, and obviously internal antenna provides power with a simple, clean design, easy to set up, gets you up and running in just minutes. And you have an app that you use, so you just use the Belkin app and you can easily set it up, and it will also show you your perfect location to put your router as well. So using your wireless device, you can go to this website here. So it's really simple actually. So you plug it into your outlet where your Wi-Fi signal strength is about 50%. Then what you do is connect the device to set up, then using your wireless device, boom. Very easy, very simple. And let's go ahead and let's open the box up now. Cut open the sides of the box, so it's just literally this bit here. Lift it up and we got enjoy. Not really much to enjoy, to be honest, but let's pull that open and plug in your Wi-Fi extender, range extender, quick installation. Find a spot that receives about half of your router's Wi-Fi signal, so basically half of your good percentage. So you don't want it right near the router, you want it sort of mid-range of your house. So if your router's downstairs in your main room, you sort of want it upstairs in the hallway, you know, mid-range of your house, so you can get the best signal. The higher this is, the better the signal you will get. We keep that in mind. Plug it in your range extender into a power outlet near that spot. Using the wireless menu on your computer, or mobile device, connect to Wi-Fi network. Go on belkin.setup and you connect to that Wi-Fi network. Open web browser on your computer or mobile device. Enter belkin.range. And follow the on-screen instruction to set up. Really that simple, quite easy actually. We'll keep that to a side. This is the actual product itself. Pull that off. It does come with a UK 3-pin plug. Of course I bought this from Amazon, so if link to buy will be down below in the description if you're interested in purchasing it. It is one of the best repeaters and we're going to test that out today as well. We've got the Belkin logo, what seems to be a little LED indicator in the middle. Going all the way around, we don't have much. Got what seems to be probably an on and off switch, WPS button and also a reset button, and then we got our information at the back over here. Looking further into here, what else do we have? We've got the simple basic user manual in many different languages. We've got Slovenian, Croatian, obviously English as well, Polish, Finnish. What else we got? That's pretty much it. Then we've got English. Wow, you'd think it has Spanish or French, but no. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to set it up. I'm not going to do a setup video. If you guys want me to do a setup video, do comment down below and I will do a setup video of this. But I'm just going to set it up myself and we're going to review it and see what the power is like and if it actually does repeat my Wi-Fi quite well. So we'll be right back.
Take prescriptions to make me feel okay. I know it's all in my head.
The Belkin Wi-Fi repeater for a few days now and it's really good. So I set it up in the best position possible, which is sort of the edge of where you can receive your internet sort of thing. So you kind of want it like mid-range. You don't want it too close to the router. You want it to where you're just about to lose your internet. Just before that is sort of the position you really want it. So let's say you're on the ground floor, that's where your router is, and you got a middle floor and then top floor. Middle floor is just about where you're getting good internet, and top floor is where you're losing it. You want to put this in the middle floor so that it can repeat itself. You do use the app. It is super easy to set up. It is really easy to set up. Just use the Belkin app, it will help out as well. Literally plug this into a wall and connect to the Belkin Wi-Fi. It's called Wi-Fi Repeater, something like that. It's all in the instructions, really simple to do. Then just go on the website that is claimed, or the IP address if the website don't work, and literally from there it is a step-by-step guide on how to set this up, and it is so easy, so simple, and it even helps you out with what position is the best to put the repeater as well. Now the speed I was getting before I put this repeater in the area where I wasn't getting good internet, I was getting speeds of around 5 megabits, 10 megabit speed. That's download speed. Upload speed I was getting around 1-2 megabits upload speed. The minute I put this in, I was getting around 50 megabits download speed, and upload speed 6 megabits. So you can see the difference it made right there. And also ping went up from 120 milliseconds all the way down to only 6 to 12 milliseconds. So that's really fast ping as well. So this really did do its job, and actually the range that it shot at was really good as well. I think this is one of the best Wi-Fi repeaters out there, and that is why it is also mentioned in many reviews as one of the top 10 Wi-Fi repeaters out there. It is definitely up there with the top 10, and for the price that you're paying, it is super like really well priced for what you're getting out of this. It is an AC1200, so 1200 megabit speed in various different bands. So that's what makes this one so special, and honestly, it looks great. It's super easy to use. You can also power it, control it, everything from here, and it's just really nice device. Now it does get warm a little bit, but that is just normal. That is honestly normal, that even your router gets warm. So other than that, I think overall score I give this honestly has to be 10 out of 10 for the price that you're paying, for what it does and how good it is, and the way it looks, and the build quality is super strong, and it looks sleek and it looks modern. 10 out of 10, man, no doubt to that. 10 out of 10 definitely. So if you are interested in buying this, link to buy will be down below in the description. This isn't a sponsored video, so this is a true honest review, guys. Even in my sponsored videos, I only do true honest reviews, and this I definitely give it 10 out of 10. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and like I say, link to buy this will be down below in the description.